for Hyundai and Kia 1999 to 2008 vehicles. Metra 70-7301 radio wiring harness for Hyundai 9906. Top reviews from the United States. Fits perfectly, standard color coding. Product worked great. I have literally used thousands of Metra wiring harness adapters because I installed car stereos for over 30 years, and in all that time, I have never had a problem with one. For a first-time installer in 2K plus vehicles, there are a lot of hurdles to overcome with the knowledge base. Most of which is in steering wheel controls, factory amplifier adapters, and through wiring of heating, AC systems or navigation systems. The documentation is based on the speakers and the power. What about the other 25 wires? I wish Metra would publish the factory wiring codes on a chart with the part. The most difficult to find is Key 1, Key 2 and KeyGrnd. As a side note, you can always use the Axxess line of products with Metra Kits, and there are factory interfaces for some of the other connections. That being said, there is a toll-free number on all Metra products, and their tech support is second to none. Why only 4 stars? The documentation. Customer service, however, 5 star. You will never have a problem with the wiring harness.